Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be how to install individual lashes, and what I mean by individual lashes is actually cluster lashes. The items that I'm going to use today are, I have a pair of tweezers. The tweezers that I have are the slanted ones, if you can see that. They're thinner for the grip. I don't really like the really thick ones on the tip, if you know what I'm saying. I wish I had them to show you the example, but I like these better. And I'm going to be using the Velux cluster lashes in short. And I wish I had a really pretty package to show you, but because I use these lashes pretty often, the package is already open, so here it is. And I already have glue on it, so sorry, but it's Velux. And they look like this in the pack when you see it on the front, without all the missing ones because I've already used it, but they look like that. All right, so I like these because, let me show you. Right here, let me get closer. Right there, this part of the lash where you will attach is flat. There's no bulb or bulkiness on the tip of the lash, and you don't want that because it's going to feel very irritated on your lashes. And I have my famous glue. All right, so use the glue that works best for you. This is the one that works best for me. And I have my window open, so if you hear cars or garbage trucks or anything, it's because it's hot and I got my window open, so bear with me. So with that being said, let's get, oh wait, I have a disclaimer. So because of the career that I hold, we're not allowed to wear eyelashes in uniform. So if you are a soldier in the United States Army, you are not allowed to put these on for work. I do this on the weekend, I do this on my time, not every weekend. I do this on my days off if I have somewhere special that I want to go and I want to spruce it up just a little bit. I do these myself. I'm not going to pay somebody $30 or $25 to do something I can do myself. So that's why I'm sharing this video with you guys. And I just had to put my disclaimer out there, okay? Right. So to get started, what I like to do is I like to take my lash pack. As you can see, I already have little glue spots, and I like to create a small spot of glue. A really small one, because it doesn't really take a whole lot. All right, so when I say small, I mean about that much glue. And I like to keep it in my hand as I work, you'll see. And I'm gonna do my best to show you how I attach them with this camera, because I really don't have a mirror behind me. Here, this is how you want to hold it. Okay, you see that? Focus, please focus. All right, so you want the bulb or the flat end of the tip that I like about this. So I have it. I'm just gonna dip it in my glue just a little bit. All right, and what I like to do is take that and rub off any excess of that on the back, because you will have glue on the front side and the back side of that lash. You don't want it on the front side and the back side. You only want it where you're going to attach it on your lash, okay? All right. So here goes. All right, so you get close to the mirror. I'm gonna get close to the camera, and you just open up. All right, and you start on, I start on the edge here and just lay it. All right, you wanna make sure it's attached. You see it? Okay, and let go. Was that hard? All right, let's try another one. All right, so I detached it, I dipped it in my glue like that, and then I like to rub some of the glue off the back side. Okay, so if your eye starts burning like mine just did, look away, come back to it. If it starts to stick to the bottom, it's not doing that for me right now, but if it starts, or if it starts burning, or if your eyes start watering or anything, just take a break on that eye and start on this eye, because if your eye starts to water, none of the lashes are going to stick and you're going to waste your time, and you don't want to do that, right? Okay, I tap them sometimes just to make sure they're doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, all right, so if you guys can see, I'm not done yet, but I'll give you a close-up. All right, so I'm gonna finish putting these on in the mirror, and I'll come back to you guys and show you my finished look, or I'll show you how I start my left eye, which I do the same thing. I start over here, I'll work my way over, and then as I get closer, I'll come back to the video to show you guys how close to the corner I go, and just how natural these lashes can look. They're really pretty, so I just wanted to share how I do it. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, I have one eye completed, and the other one I still have to do. So I want this one to dry. I'm pressing on it just a little bit underneath my lashes to make sure they're on there. So again, I attach them underneath the lash line. I don't go in between, I don't go on top, I go straight up underneath my lashes. Okay, and what you see here, I'm going to show you. Hold on. You see, they're really not that long, and I'll show you how far into the corner I went. So what I like to do to check to see how everything looks from the top, I do pull my eye and then I close it and I'm looking at it, and you should see, like, you know, nice flow. I don't like lashes all in the corner right there, because you want that part natural. And what you could do to that part is take a take your mascara, and you can kind of work the corners with like a waterproof mascara. Okay, because if you use any other mascara, it's probably going to cause your lashes to come off sooner than you like. Again, this is kind of my weekend thing, or my weekend thing. So I dress up on the weekends, I go to church, and I'm a different person on the weekend. I'm gonna finish the other eye. I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. But yeah, some scenes calls for dramatic, but if I'm wearing a barely there face, I want barely there lashes, so I think it makes sense. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I finished both sides of my eyelash extensions. Again, I used the Velux short extension, short cluster. Those are my favorite and probably only lashes. Even if I wanted the dramatic look, I go for the medium or the long, or if you want to mix it up, you can do your shorts here, you can do, you know, medium long. You can really mix it up, but I'll give you guys a close-up of the look. And so there you have it. I want you to see this one right here, and then I want you to see the other side. So what I did there is I used my liquid eyeliner, and I just kind of went across the top of the lash. I could add some more there if I wanted to, maybe one more, but that's my test. I pull it and I go, okay, maybe I can add one more right there, or I would take my mascara, my waterproof mascara, and work it from right there. Again, I just added some liquid liner. If you've never used liquid liner before, make sure you have a steady hand. I like, you guys are not gonna guess, MAC liquid eyeliner. Here's my liquid eyeliner. It's called Brush Black by MAC. And it's called Brush Black. I like it because it doesn't run, And I like a pencil versus the you know, the one that comes with the little tube top. My hands shake too much for that, but this one is just a pencil, and it's a little easier for me to just take it and draw. You know what I'm saying? So sorry, I don't have a mirror, and I'm just drawing. I use the tip and go from there. And you can create it as thick or as thin as you like. You can go back over it to give it some drama. You can wing it if you like. This look I have today does not require a winged look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You don't have to use any mascara for these at all. As you see, they come with their own super dark look. So if you decide to use any mascara with them, they will come off pretty easily. And over time, I think I take them off either by washing my face, and my face wash and my soap usually gets them off pretty easily. If not, you can just, you know, use some type of baby oil or I'm drawing a blank, I'm sorry, coconut oil, and just put on your fingers and just kind of work it on your lashes and, you know, pull them off like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So please go back, give me a thumbs up if I did a good job on this video. Bye.